So it doesn't matter if you're an affiliate marketer or a blogger or some sort of digital entrepreneur. The bottom line is if you're doing any type of email marketing in your business, this video actually will affect you. As of February 1st, something big is happening in the email marketing space. And in this video today, I'm going to be telling you what that is and the 3 things that you can do to go ahead and mitigate any issues so that you can continue having successful email marketing campaigns. Your boys got you. We're starting right now. By the way, guys, my name is John McNeil, and if you get any value from this video, make sure you hit that like button and go ahead and share this video with anybody else that's doing email marketing because it will likely affect them as well. So let's go to jump right into this video and talk about what's going to be happening on February 1st, 2024. Now, Google, Yahoo, and other big mailbox providers as of February 1st are no longer going to allow you to actually send emails from like Gmail accounts, Yahoo accounts, or any of these type of accounts that you might be sending from inside of your autoresponder. So essentially, if you have GetResponse, if you have Aweber, if you have ActiveCampaign, and you're using Gmails and you're using Yahoo addresses to send out emails to your actual subscribers, as of February 1st, this is going to be a no-go and your emails will not actually be delivered into the inbox whatsoever. So what your autoresponders are going to have you do in terms of getting your emails actually delivered is you need to first actually purchase a domain and actually create an email address with that actual domain. You can go over to Bluehost or any host provider to actually just purchase a domain. It could be like yourname.com, and then you want to create an email address for that actual domain. This is very simple to do, and you can actually YouTube how to do this if you don't have a domain at this point. Once you have that domain, you want to register that domain with DKIM and DMARC through your actual autoresponder. Now, I actually did a video about 2 months ago. It was called The Dark Side of Email Marketing. And I'm also gonna leave that video in the description of this video so that you guys can watch that video because I go over this stuff a lot more thorough. But essentially what you're gonna wanna do is you want to register that domain and that domain email address in your DNS records of your hosting. So this is just basically going to tell the email provider that the domain and the email address that you're actually sending from is a legit real person and it's verified and it's not some sort of spam bot or spoof domain that is sending these emails. So these email service providers are getting very, very serious about spam, and you have to get your email addresses registered with DKIM and DMARC. Again, I'm going to link a video for you guys so you guys can learn more about how to do that. But this is just a video to kind of let you guys know that as of February 1st, if you have not done this stuff, your email marketing campaigns are going to be dead. The second thing you need to do if you want to get your emails to land in the actual inbox is you want to take your domains through a process of warming them up. So if you're just purchasing a brand spanking new domain, a lot of times if you're going to be emailing from that domain, your emails are going to land in the actual spam folder. And that's just because the email providers do not know your actual domain address. They're not used to that email address and they might think it's spam. So you're sending a bunch of emails to your contact list and to your email subscribers, and they don't know, that doesn't have any type of email reputation, right? And so what you want to do is you want to warm up your actual domain. And the way you do that is you can utilize a website called warmbase.io. Warmbase.io. Again, in that video that I'm going to link in the description, I go through this very thoroughly and show you guys the website. But what this website essentially does is it warms up your domain, and it goes through a process of where it takes emails and it sends emails from your actual domain to random email addresses, and those email addresses open up your emails and reply to your email address, and thus giving it the effect or the feel that this is a legit email address and people are opening your emails and they're replying to your emails. So that takes your reputation, your domain reputation up. That's going to help you when you're actually sending emails to your contact list to actually land in the inbox and not the spam folder. So it's hugely important that you actually do this and warm up your domain. If not, it could take months before your emails can actually land in the inbox. Last but not least is number 3, and that is to clean your list. You're going to want to clean your list up, and you want to do this kind of on a routine basis, maybe once a quarter or every 6 months. You want to go through and actually clean your list, because what happens is when you're doing affiliate marketing or email marketing, you're collecting email addresses online, it's inevitable that you're going to be getting a lot of fake email addresses. People are just going to put in fake email addresses so that they can see the information, get the free ebook, see the free video. And what happens is if you keep those fake email addresses in your contact list and you're continuing to send to them and you're not getting the opens, you're not getting the clicks, again, it's going to hurt your domain reputation. So what you rather have is a smaller list, and on that smaller list, everyone is opening and everyone is clicking. And again, that shows the email service providers that you are sending information to these individuals, that they not only want to get the information, but they're actually interacting with you and replying back. So again, that's just going to increase your reputation so that the email service providers are just going to continue delivering your emails into that inbox. And the more emails you can get into that inbox, the more opens you get, the more clicks you get, the more money you make. So again, guys, this is very important. I'm going to link that other video again in the description of this video. It's called The Dark Side of Email Marketing. I'll flash it up on the screen here so you guys can see what it looks like. But it goes more in depth on what I spoke about today. And definitely, guys, you want to get prepared for this because you have a few weeks before this is going to take effect. So if you're not ready and you're not prepared and you don't have these things done, then you're essentially, your email marketing is going to be dead and you're not going to be able to deliver any emails to any inboxes. You're not going to be able to make any money, and I don't want that to happen to you guys. So make sure you check out that video, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Again, make sure you like this video and send it to somebody also that is doing email marketing, and I'll see you guys very, very soon in the next video.